Best Bloxflips promo code and the best three website for finding the best promo codes for Bloxflip. Firstly, the website is etc gamer. In this website, whenever you will search for Bloxflip promo code, you will see them listed here in front of you on the very home page of this website. First is Lucky Gamer, Uglybit 24, Childhood Twins, Blocks Time, Blocks Flash, Flashed August, Mad August 22, August 20 Snap, Frybones, and many type of promo codes are available here. You can simply copy it and paste it on the website to get claim it. Now, the number second website in front of you, that is vthrift.com, one of the leading and the best genuine website for providing the best promo codes for you. And this also you will get for 24th of August top Bloxflip promo codes. You will get these type of promo here. To copy it, simply click on this purple option, that is copy the code from this list, and then you can paste it wherever you want it. Now we will move to the third genuine website, that is followchain.com. In this website also there is 5 plus Bloxflip promo code available here. So the main is you can view it here. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.